Put it. Oh, I'm afraid.
No further in the water.
Taxi.
After nobody goes.
Nah. This I don't believe. We came here the last week. Before 2 weeks. No have this so far. Hey, everybody look. Calm down the water. See? It's full. Ano ba to? Yermasoya here, ne? No. Yermasoya Dam and Polymedion Dam. It's full. Oh my goodness. Where going this water? Ay! Eagle, this. See him, bear? Oh, you need to rescue him.
No, he's live.
He trapped there. Trapped.
No, he's live.
What is this eagle? This one? I duck. I thought eagle. My goodness. We're going this water. Where? In the Talasa, in the beach.
Yeah.
Okay.